friends! Welcome to Cool Toys. Look, today I brought you a giant egg with a dinosaur drawing on it. Let's see everything that's inside. But first, don't forget to give this video a super like, and I invite you to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos. Let's get started. The dinosaur we have today is a Tyrannosaurus Rex. It's a carnivorous dinosaur, which means it eats meat. He eats small animals. That's why his jaw is super big and he has very sharp teeth. Look at his eye, it's red. Also, it was a bipedal dinosaur that walked on its two hind legs. Let's remove the whole layer of modeling clay. Wow, friends, can you write to me in the comments? What's your favorite dinosaur? I like Diplodocus best. Thank you for watching this video. Wow, friends! Look at how many surprises. Here I am seeing a dinosaur. It's a Tyrannosaurus Rex, just like the drawing on our egg. Here we can see how big it was. It had a long tail and very strong legs. Also, we can notice its jaw, which was super big and had really sharp teeth. The Tyrannosaurus Rex is one of the largest predators that ever existed on Earth. Great. Let's see the next surprise. We have a packet of bubble pets. They're little sea animals with slime pearls inside. We get the surprise packet and also an activity book. In each packet, we get a mini book, an identification card, and a cute bubble pet. And here, we have an example of what they look like. I would like to get the seal. Let's see. We got a little bubble in yellow, and it's a pufferfish. Oh. Wow! The slime pearl is blue, and it's completely full of sparkles. On the back, we can see its fins, and it's completely covered in spikes. Inside, it appears to be a slime stress ball. Look. Let's check their identification. It says their name is Belita, and they're a pufferfish. They were born on September 4th. Hi, my name is Belita. I love the warmth. That's why you can find me in tropical seas. Great, friends! It's super cute. We also got a book with a lot of activities. In the first part, we have stories about the animals, and in the back, activities to play with. I love it. Let's move on to the next surprise. We got an animal letter pack, one of the new packs. I'm excited to see them because I haven't opened any yet. Look, these are animals that turn into letters. Or letters that turn into animals. It also comes with an activity book where we can play and color. Look, we get the letter, a collector's guide, and an identification card. And we got the letter F. Her name is Flash. Here we have what it turns into. It looks like a winged dinosaur or a flying dinosaur. Wow, friends, it's super cool. It has spread its wings and we can flap them up and down as if it were flying. Really? I love it. The best part is that we can turn it into lyrics whenever we want. It's awesome. Let's check the collector's guide now. Wow, guys, there are a ton to collect, from letter A to letter Z. Can you write in the comments if you want me to make a video with all these packs? They're super cool. Next surprise. We got a little box with a spinner, but it's not just any spinner because it's also a puzzle. Each side has a different color, and we can mix it so it becomes multicolored. Let's see how it spins. It's pretty fast, guys, and very light. Do you guys know any tricks with the spinner? It's pretty hard, but I love it. We still have many surprises left. We got a surprise pack from the Rulers of the Seas. They're giant edition sea animals. The surprise pack comes with an activity book. On the back, we can see all the ones there are to collect. And the best part is that some of them have special effects. For example, some glow in the dark and others change color. Let's see which one we get. Wow! Check this out, it's huge. We can stretch it a lot and it's super soft. We can see its large fin on the back. Let's look at the identification card. It tells us that this is a southern right whale. Did you know about it? It also gives us information about it. It belongs to the Balenidae family and is characterized by its black color and a short, robust body with a very large head. It also gives us its intelligence level, dimensions, agility, and speed. And here we have a photograph of it in real life. Super cool. On the back, we can see all the ones available to collect. The one we got doesn't have any special effect. Goodbye, friends. I'm going to swim in the ocean. We only have a few surprises left. We got a Super Team Series 3 pack. There are more than 90 to collect. And we could get a superhero or a villain. And we got a villain. It's the bunny inside the top hat. And look, it has a pretty scary face. Abracadabra in its hand, it has a magic wand. We also have a collector's guide. We see all the ones there are to collect, along with their rivals. Let's see. Here we have the bunny in the top hat, along with its superhero rival, which is a magic hat. Friends, here's the final surprise. We have a little dinosaur envelope, and here we have a Tyrannosaurus Rex with a bunch of sharp teeth in the back. We can see all the ones there are to collect. I'd like the Ankylosaurus. The one we got is called Ceratosaurus. And look, it's a carnivorous dinosaur. Also, it looks pretty terrifying. It has a very large jaw and a rather long tail. Plus, it's a bipedal dinosaur because look, it walks on its two hind legs. Another detail I like is the row of spikes it has from its head all the way down to its tail. On the card, it tells us that it's number 8 in the collection, and we have 12 to collect. And now, friends, we've finished today's video, and these are all the little surprises we got today. Remember, friends, you can write to me in the comments and tell me which one of these was your favorite. And don't forget, if you like this video, you can help me by giving me a super like, a thumbs up, and I invite you to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos. Alright friends, I'm saying goodbye now. See you in the next video with more fun surprises. A little kiss. Goodbye.